Alrighty folks, back at it at the construction site. Dug me down a little hole, popped something loose, and it looks like it's an old pocket knife, I believe. My best guess would be. Not sure if I'm going to be able to figure anything out about it. It doesn't look like it, but it does look old. I'll clean it up and at least show y'all a couple pics of it. Alright, pretty cool. See ya. Alright, just a few feet away from the pocket knife that I dug, I found my next interesting find. Looks like a buckle. Most of the buckles that I've found out here so far fall apart as soon as you start to like peel dirt off of them or anything. So I'm gonna try to clean this one up a little bit. I'm not sure how sturdy it's gonna be, but it looks like a cool little buckle. I'm liking it. Yeah, I'm not gonna poke around on it too much. Just wanted to show y'all. I like it. Good find. Let's see what else we got out there. I got about an hour and a half left, so I hope to find a couple more things. See y'all on the flip side. Surface find. Check out this little dagger. Man, it's light. I thought it was a pocket knife because of the way that rock's on there that it folded down, but that's just like a little steak knife or a little paring knife. Hey, get rid of that, put it in a bucket, find out what's next. All right, still working this construction field here. And next target, the top of the hole here is some kind of really old pin. I guess it's a pin. It looks like where you would pin it. I don't think that we'll probably ever figure out what this is. I will detail it when I get home and see if we can figure anything out, but it feels pretty crusty and old. It's neat though. Hope we get lucky and find something off of it. All right, on to the next one. Just wanted to take a second to show you all the signal the Garrett AT Max is throwing off on this smashed Civil War bullet I just found. Screaming at me. Alrighty, now let's take a look at her. Dun, dun, dun. That one definitely got runned over. It's a big bullet too. I love it. All right, maybe we can find one more thing before the day's up. Keep on keeping on. Alrighty guys, I got about 15 minutes left. Just dug my last little hole here and floop, popped out a nice horseshoe, add to the collection. See if it brings me any luck for the last 15 minutes. Alrighty. Last find of the day before I gotta head out and go get the kiddo, spend some time with him. And I don't know what it is. I know it's round. And I don't know. Has a hole in this side. It's probably junk. I don't know, I have no idea, but I'll clean it up when I get home. It was a good fun day, and thanks for watching.